If your dreams sparkle like stars, you're in fairyland. Once upon a time, in a land of glitter and giggles, lived a tiny fairy named Twinkle. Twinkle loved to help her friends with her magical wand. One day, her friend Fluffy the bunny couldn't find his lucky carrot. Twinkle waved her wand and poof, the carrot appeared right in front of Fluffy. But then, Twinkle felt sad. She realized it's more fun to help friends by working together. So she asked Fluffy to join her in a treasure hunt. They searched high and low, and finally found the carrot under a rainbow rock. Fluffy thanked Twinkle, and they both learned that working together is the best magic of all. So remember, little ones, when you help each other, you make the world a magical place.